Going on, guys? Backyard Bob. I'm back again. I'm gonna be real with you. I haven't done much woodworking this summer. It's Florida, it's hot. I work outside, then I come home and I try to do woodworking, which I enjoy doing, but I end up just sweating my ass off and it sucks. So I'm gonna start a new series here. It's gonna take me a while to complete. I hope you join me on this journey, but I plan on taking this old girl behind me and turning it into a wood shop. So the size of my shed is 8 foot by 16 foot. It's not very big. It's going to be a pretty small wood shop, but I'll try to make it work. I built this shed some few years back. I really had no business building anything. I didn't know nothing about nothing, but I bought some material and did a little research and I just got to it.
I made a lot of mistakes.
So there's a few things that went wrong with the build, you know, stuff that I didn't calculate, stuff that I didn't figure out. Like the roof, you see there's no overhang, so I get a lot of rain, splashback, and stuff like that. I was just miscalculating how to measure out the roof panels with the peaks, and I don't know. I just screwed up. I did my measurement, cut everything, realized I effed up. It is what it is. There's a gap at the peak of the roof. You know, leaves and stuff came in, so I kind of haphazardly stuck some screen up in the top. It worked temporarily, and you know, you go from there. So in hindsight, I should have did a few things different. Should have built it bigger. Should have did the overhang. But whatever. You live and you learn, and hindsight's 20/20, right? So yeah. So the majority of my shed is taken up by crap, tools. Got my face. It's a mess. I can't walk around in there. There's no space to walk around, there's no space to work. And my main goal is to work inside the shed for the most part. You know, probably big cuts with the miter saw I'll have to do outside, but for the most part, assembly, maybe small table saw work, and then all the other tools I have that I can do in there comfortably with the AC on, so I'm not sweating and dying out here. This is all the room I got. So every time I want to do a project, I've got to pull this tool, I've got to climb over that, I've got to dig through something just to get the dang tool I need to do my project. I ended up spending more time pulling crap out and putting crap away than I did working on the project. And I'm sure some of you can relate. If you can't get to what you need easily and it's a pain in the butt to get to it, you don't really want to do the project. So it's time to get this thing in order and build a workshop. I know it's going to take a while, but I appreciate you guys' support. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button to check out more. That was a weird bug. So off camera, I'm finishing the inside of the shed out. I could have filmed it, but I don't know, I just didn't really feel like it. I'm going through, I'm spray foaming everything, all the cracks, gaps, crevices that critters could get in. I'm putting insulation up and I'm putting wall paneling up. And then I'm going through and slapping on a cheap coat of paint, calling it a day. I just installed this AC earlier in the summer. Without insulation in the shed, it made a world of a difference. So once everything's insulated and sealed up pretty good, it's gonna be real nice, boy. Yeah.
Anyway.
So my ultimate goal of the workshop is to be able to have all my tools in here at their own respective station, and I can just go from section to section, do what I need to do. Now to accomplish that, there is some stuff I need to get out of the shed, like an extra toolbox, a filing cabinet, and before I can get that stuff out of here, I need to build a little like extension off the side of the shed, extra storage space to put some of my more bulk items in, my welder, yeah, like I said, filing cabinet, toolbox, crap like that, because I need more room for my woodworking tools in here. But for now, I'm spending my time, energy, and money on finishing the inside of the shed, kind of building the tool stands that I need and organizing, you know, as I go. And down the road I can build the extension and then slowly finish building out the rest of it. So starting in this corner over here, this workbench is coming out, those cabinets are coming down, pegboard's coming down. Probably going to do some kind of storage on the wall, maybe build some new cabinets, but some more shallower ones. I'm going to have a cart for my bandsaw and my drill press over here. I'm going to make a flip top cart for my planer, my oscillating spindle sander. Yeah, I have a brand new planer in the box. I'm looking at it right now. Haven't even took it out. What's the point? I can't use it. I can't set it up anywhere, and the sucker's heavy, so I don't really feel like carrying it in and out. Now back in this corner behind me is where I'm going to have my assembly table. I'm going to try to do a table saw workbench type thing. I'm going to have my table saw built into my workbench because I don't have a big table saw. I have a job site Cobalt table saw. So as long as I can, you know, get it attached to the table, and it's a kind of an outfeed table, if you will, that'll work out pretty good. I'll have me a new workbench with storage and stuff like that. Yeah. Thank you for traveling to the other side of my giant workshop. I know it took some time. So what I'm thinking in this corner, I'm going to build a miter saw station. It'll probably take up at least half of the wall on that side of the shed. Maybe some drawers, stuff like that. I might build like a rollaway cabinet that goes under one section of it for my jointer. I don't know, we'll see how that goes. This back corner right here, you know, storage on the walls, maybe clamp rack, something, I don't know, we'll do something on the wall. And then in this corner, I'm going to move a couple of my toolboxes, the Craftsman and then the Hobo Freight. Bam, we're going to put it on that wall to make room for the miter saw station. So that's my plan, and then as I go along, I'll do little pieces here and there.
Get out of my word.
As we go along, you know, I'll make what I need. I'll make it along the way. I want to take a minute to thank each and every one of you that watches my videos. I want to thank all my subscribers. You guys greatly encourage me to keep moving forward, keep making content, and just I enjoy showing you my progress, how I do things. I know everybody's got a different opinion, and you know, there's tons of experts out there. There's also tons of people like you and me who just, we're having fun, you know, we're enjoying doing woodworking, and we want to have a little shop and be able to do stuff, and for us it's fun. So I want to thank you guys for everything. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. You can hit that subscribe button, I would appreciate it. Follow me along on this journey. Let's see where it goes. Backyard Bob, I'm out.